For my third technology, I found a website called ThingLink.com, and it is a visual learning solution. And what they do is help people create easy visual learning materials for whatever audience you may have. And so once I got the hang of it, it became a lot easier, but it definitely took longer than I had anticipated. And so I had used one of their templates, but what you can do is upload any of your own videos or pictures to use as the source. So here as my source, I have a picture of an island and the beach, tropical theme. Bora Bora is where it's supposed to represent. And so what you do is come in and create these hashtags and make them learning in an interactive map, if you will, for learning of any topic area. And so out here on my little fish, there is a brief description from Wikipedia that you can upload for snorkeling and scuba diving. Then out here I have the video from YouTube of Bora Bora sharks and rays that a student could watch, learning about the different areas of the island. Here is a picture of some hotels that are in Bora Bora and the differences of like them standing over the water, which looks very idealistic. You could also upload music, and so here is some sounds of the ocean for relaxation. And so what I love about this is that you can upload any kind of piece that you would need for your learning activity that you want to do. What I also am excited about this for is moving forward is that you can use it for any kind of audience. If you have kids in early childhood, which is my field, you could easily use pictures on your learning tags or letters if you're trying to do a letter concept with matching it with zoo animals, if you will. You can use it for older kids. You can also incorporate quizzes on here so they could go through your map and learn all the pieces and then have a quiz at the end as well. Then you can, that would be uploaded to whatever system you want the scores to be put in. So if you're using Google and such. And so also what I found, what I'm hoping to use this for is for professional development. So I think it'd be great to go in and and I work in the early childhood field, so take pictures of classrooms and then use little hashtags for areas that maybe they are needing some additional supplies for, or safety concerns. And so you could also use it as a family engagement piece, especially right now where we're not meeting in person. And so I also think we could use it as our learning tool for our software system in our office, both through Child Plus. I think this is a very, I think once you get the use of it and the hang of it, it becomes very easy to use. But it definitely takes some time to build in all of your learning tags. But I think it is a great resource to use for any audience.